Okay.
Mark, this is the bike rack in its closed position. So to open it, just fan it over to start with, so it's in that position, so it's like a slide wings. This lever here, pull it all the way as far as it will go this way, and then just lift it up and drop it on the ball. Push the lever down. That's it. And then Caroline's just putting this video over here, and then these little levers here, you just press them down like so. Now the key we're referring to is this one that locks the bike rack on the tow bar, and the same key will keep the bikes locked on the arms. And the key we need is N102. I've sent an email to the chap I spoke about. It's possible he's got it, but there'll be no problem getting them from Thule otherwise. Okay.